Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to talk about whether or not you should buy Shiba Inu or not, okay guys? But obviously it's going to be from my own opinion. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you think you might enjoy the content that I create for the future, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and guys, give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to go ahead and follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies, and all kinds of good crypto stuff on a daily basis, you guys. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow on here because I'm only going to be here for the long term, you guys, and I am continuing to grow more and more on a daily basis. So guys, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu today, okay? Now, a lot of you, I know there's a lot of you out there who do not like this coin specifically because it's a meme coin. And yeah, you're right. It did start out as a meme coin, but here's the thing, you guys. Shiba Inu is a meme coin that has literally taken off like crazy. I mean, and honestly, you guys, when, realistically here, I mean, Shiba Inu has more utility than Dogecoin does now, which is awesome. And so realistically here, we can definitely assume that Shiba Inu will eventually catch up or eventually pass Dogecoin in the long-term future, just based off of this utility alone that they're starting to create for themselves, which is awesome, okay? Now here's the thing, you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you exactly what you should do, obviously. So realistically here, me saying should you buy Shiba Inu or not is pretty much all based on my own opinion, okay? I'm literally not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you my opinion, okay? So realistically here, you guys, with meme coins like this, honestly, I treat them as lottery tickets. Okay, my subscribers already know this. I talk about this in a lot of my videos where I mention meme coins. They should be treated like lottery tickets. They should not be treated as a regular long term, or they should not be treated as a large position that you hold in cryptocurrency. Okay, so for instance, what I'm talking about here is for me, for instance, you guys. I only put money into Shiba Inu or, into meme coins that I can afford to lose, okay? I mean, literally afford to lose, meaning if they tank, I really don't care because it's just a lottery ticket position, okay? Now, I'm sure a lot of you out there, you've probably bought lottery tickets in the past before. You literally want to treat meme coins exactly like that, Don't go, if you've got $2,500 to invest in cryptocurrency, don't be putting the whole don't be putting $2,000 of it into Shiba Inu, okay? Put like $100 into it and that's it. Literally treat it like a lottery ticket and just hold on to it for the long term and just see what happens, okay? I mean, literally, it's just $100, right? Now here's the thing, all right? I personally do have a little bit of money into this. I have $1,000 into Shiba Inu. I will be transparent with you about it. I do have $1,000 in Shiba Inu. Now, I've had it in there for quite a while, and I will not be adding to it anytime soon. I will not be adding to it at all. I literally bought it as a lottery ticket position, specifically so that, if it does take off like crazy in the long term, then hey, I've got $1,000 in there and I can catch that, right? That's what I'm talking about when I say treat it as a lottery ticket, you guys. And that's literally what you should be doing with these meme coins because they are very, very, very risky, okay? But as I was talking about before, you guys, Shiba Inu has definitely started to create some crazy cool utility for us, which is awesome. I personally love it. All right, guys, so the first thing I want to talk about here is how active this community is, okay? So as we can see here, you guys, with Shiba Inu, when we're talking about Shiba Inu, actually, we're going to go ahead and, let me just check this out real quick. Okay, so as we can see here, you guys, Shiba Inu has not been around nowhere near as long as Dogecoin, okay? Dogecoin has like no utility whatsoever, all right? Shiba Inu is starting to gain utility, okay? As we can see here, it is currently more popular publicly than Dogecoin. We've got 1.73 million people that have added Shiba Inu to their watch list, which is now more than Dogecoin. We can see Dogecoin only has 1.57 million people on their watch list. And, Shiba Inu hasn't been around anywhere near as long as Dogecoin, so that's pretty darn good for, Shiba Inu to be, growing that much in that amount of time, which is pretty darn cool. In addition, you guys, when we take a look at their Discord server, we can clearly see there is a lot of people here. Realistically, there's a ton of people in this server. I don't know how to see the total amount of people that are in the server. I know there's probably a way to do that, but I honestly have no idea how to do that. I'm not I'm not a Discord expert, so I don't know. But realistically here, there's a lot of people in this server, and there are a lot of people that are constantly talking in this server, and a lot of people who are, communicating back and forth. So it is awesome to see. Overall here, you guys, there is a huge demand for Shiba Inu tokens right now. There actually always has been. It is just a very popular project. And as we can see here, you guys, the amount of holders, the amount of people who are buying and holding the token is continuing to go up on a daily basis as well. Yesterday, the amount of holders was a little above, just a little less than, it was a little above 1 million people, but it was a little less than 1,100,000 people. So as we can see here, you guys, we've got people adding, onto their bags, or people that are buying into Shiba Inu on literally a daily basis, which is really nice to see, especially considering, like I was saying before, you guys, with how much utility they are currently starting to build for themselves, which is awesome. As far as Shiba Inu goes right now, you guys, there's all kinds of things you can do with it. You can provide liquidity to earn bone tokens. You can buy, sell, and trade NFTs you can buy and sell NFTs. You can stake tokens and gain returns, obviously. And, you can swap your tokens for other tokens as well here within Shiba Swap. So overall here, you guys, as you guys can see, there's clearly utility. This project is no longer a, complete, I guess you could call it shitcoin. A lot of people back in the day would call it a shitcoin simply because they just simply don't like it. And honestly, you guys, there's a lot of people out there who just don't like the coin, just specifically because it's, because it used to be a meme coin. And apparently, you guys, those people are short-sighted. Don't listen to them. Those people are short-sighted. They clearly don't know anything about the project anymore. And they clearly, are just holding on to the grudge of, what they think about it from the past. Don't even worry about those guys. Those guys are the ones that are going to lose out in the long term. Realistically here, you guys, overall, they've done a great job. They've got a great community. They're continuing to build on a regular daily basis, and they are continuing to provide their community with different ways to make more crypto, or to build crypto in, a passive way, which is awesome to see. In addition, you guys, they recently just created a burning mechanism for people to actually, they can literally burn their Shiba Inu tokens, which will ultimately lower the overall supply, which would be very nice. We want the supply to be lowered. A lot of people want the supply to be lowered because it'll boost the price up, in the long term, which is awesome to see. There's this big thing with Shiba Inu where people would love to see Shiba Inu go, as high as Dogecoin at some point in time in the long-term future, which personally, realistically here, you guys, hey, we saw Dogecoin, reach as high as it did. There should be no reason why Shiba Inu can't, do kind of the same thing. Obviously, maybe not as high as far as price-wise goes, because that would be a very high, large market cap in the long-term future. But realistically here, you guys, I personally do believe that Shiba Inu will be able to have some very large price movements in the long-term future, especially as more and more people start burning their tokens to be able to lower the overall supply. And about the Shiba burn type thing, you guys, pretty much what you can do is, holy cow, that changed a lot. I literally just looked at this yesterday, and as you can see here, there has been a total of 51.4 billion Shiba tokens that have been burnt so far. Literally just yesterday, you guys, I was looking at this yesterday. This number was at exactly 50 billion. I think it was like 50 billion, 200 million, something like that. So it has literally gone up literally 1.2 billion since yesterday. So people are literally actively burning their tokens, all in an effort to make the supply go lower, which is very, very nice, you guys. I would say within a year or so, there's going to be a lot of tokens that have been burnt, which is very nice to see. So overall here, you guys, like I was saying before, they've got so many different ways for people to interact with the community and, just be part of the whole Shiba ecosystem, which is very cool. Again, something that Dogecoin just simply doesn't have. In addition, you guys, there's this metaverse thing going on, okay? So Shiba Inu, they are currently working on, I personally don't think it's very, the development is very in-depth right now. I think it's kind of something that hasn't really taken off yet, but they are creating their own metaverse from what I hear. I cannot confirm this for 100%, but from what I do hear, they are creating metaverse. And they are starting to sell land as well, as you guys can see here. They had some kind of bid event where people can bid to buy or bid to buy NFT or bid to buy land, and then they've got a holders event, which will obviously. Let's see here. To continue the excitement, we are happy to bring another great opportunity for amazing holders of leash and Shibonis, or Shiboshis. Sorry, not Shibonis. Who did not participate and were not able to mint lands during the initial bidding event. So this is for people who hold, and they can have a chance to get land as well. And then they will have the public sale, which will be open for everybody like you and I to be able to buy land in the Shiba metaverse as well, which is pretty darn nice, you guys. And again, with the whole utility thing, you guys, they are adding utility to the project. And this is overall, you guys, I love it when, developers of a project really, really care about this project. The fact that they are continuing to build and continuing to put out new shit on a regular basis is so awesome. It's not even funny. This is a perfect example of a meme coin that is turning into a utility coin. This is really cool to see, and I personally really like it, to be honest with you. Again, guys, this is all just my opinion, okay? And as we can see here, they've got all kinds of news. They're literally in the news on a daily basis from different places that are writing about them. Shiba Inu's only path to $1. This was just, posted just the other day. Let's see here. The last time this happened, Shiba Inu price exploded. People are still talking about price explodes. Price explosions with Shiba Inu. And then again with, CoinDesk talking about the metaverse. So overall here, you guys, realistically, there's a whole lot going on with the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem, and you definitely don't want, you definitely should be paying attention to it, especially considering, you guys, how high it is currently ranked on CoinMarketCap and how high it's been ranked for a very long time. I mean, Shiba Inu has been, within the top 20 on CoinMarketCap for a very, very long time now, and it's great to see. It really is. So realistically here, you guys, this is probably the most least risky meme coin to literally invest in for the long term, in my personal opinion. So, all right, guys. Other than that, let's check out some price action real quick. I want to do just a little bit of a price action thing real quick. Now, here's the thing. I do know that. Let me get my calculator real quick. I do know and I do understand that, obviously the supply is not going to stay the same, obviously. And I do know that obviously it's going to go down. But we don't know how often it's going to go down. We don't know what it's going to go down to, okay? So I want to do just a little bit of a price prediction here between the levels where it's at right now and its all-time high, okay? Just to get you guys to see what you could potentially make off of it if you were to put into it right now for a potential lottery ticket position, okay? So let's say realistically, just for shits and giggles here, let's say you have put $1,000 into it right now, okay? $1,000, you divide that by 0.12341159, and guys, you're going to come out with 86.28 million tokens, okay? So 86.28 million tokens, and we've got 1,000 million. Oh wait, that's billion. Whoops, my bad. 1,000 million. All right. So that's how many tokens you have, all right? Now we are going to go ahead and multiply this, you guys, by, a price of, its all-time high, all right? Now, the reason why I'm doing the all-time high price, you guys, is because, I can't see the future. I'm not a magician, so I can't tell you what it's going to go to in the long term. But we can only assume that it will eventually go up to its all-time high again at some point in the future, right? So, guys, when it does go into its all-time high again, you guys, you will make some decent gains. So let's see what you'd make. All right, so we'll go ahead and multiply this by 0.1234, and then 8845, because that's its all-time high. 8845. So guys, when it goes back up to its all-time high, you're going to profit roughly around $7.6 thousand, you guys, which isn't bad off of a $1,000 investment, to be honest with you, especially considering it's only going back up to its all-time high, which realistically here, you guys, we've all seen in many bull runs in the past, you guys, usually a lot of these coins, especially the coins in the top 20 or top 30, they always usually end up, going much higher than their previous all-time high. So realistically here, you've got a chance to make some pretty decent cash off of it, in the long term here. So realistically here, you guys, Shiba Inu is no longer something that you should not be that you shouldn't be paying attention to. You should be paying attention to Shiba Inu, especially considering that they are starting to build, they are starting to come out with all kinds of good stuff, and they've got some pretty good long-term price potential either way, you guys. So realistically here, you guys, overall, I feel like I did a pretty good job explaining what I wanted to explain here, so I will go ahead and wrap this one up, you guys. But again, guys, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.